and what not, trends and all. So how is he still able to run all these businesses? What do you think?
Hire the correct people.
Done. What? One, hire the correct people. What else? Good.
Jack Ma says that it is not necessary for you to be the smartest of all. You can hire smart people and do work.
Excellent. I think I echo the same thought. Let's take both of your words ahead and understand. तो let's say उन्होंने मतलब देखो पूरी रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज में देयर बी लैक्स ऑफ पीपल वर्किंग, लेट्स इमेजिन इट टू बी 2 लाख. तो ये 2 लाख लोगों से तो बात नहीं कर सकते, ये ऊपर के 100-150 लोगों से ही बात करते होंगे जो इनको डायरेक्टली एंड डायरेक्टली रिपोर्ट करते हैं. सो इमेजिन दिस जेंटलमैन विल हैव अ लॉट ऑफ मीटिंग्स विद द स्टेक होल्डर्स हु आर रिस्पेक्टिव सीईओज, एमडीज, हेड्स ऑफ डिफरेंट बिजनेसेस. तो ये जो 150-200 लोग होंगे जो इनको रिपोर्ट करते हैं, व्हाट डू यू थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ देम विल बी मोर एजुकेटेड दैन मिस्टर अंबानी और लेस? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? Chances are more. Number one, he is dealing with people who are more educated than him. Number two, is it necessary that all of them who are working under him in his team have to be younger to him? Quite a few might be elder to him as well. More experienced, even elder, highly educated, still he is able to lead them. Do you think it's just money which can lead? There is more to it. There is something called people management. There is something called decision making. And imagine that he's taking decisions for the people, on behalf of the people, for which he has got more experts than him, but still he's running it even better. And there are a lot of such people. So, अब मैं आपसे ये बातें क्यों कर रहा हूँ कि इसके आगे की जो नेक्स्ट ग्रोथ है आपकी, मतलब लेट्स बी सेल्फिश, कि इसके आगे की जो नेक्स्ट ग्रोथ है आपकी वो सिर्फ टेक्निकल स्किल्स पे बेस्ड नहीं है. टेक्निकल स्किल्स पे बेस्ड है, बट you have it enough and you will develop it gradually. But what will give you that exponential growth is that whether I am psychologically ready to lead all of these people. If they come to me with a crucial conversation, can I handle that? If they come to me fighting for certain things, can I